How to change label color in Gmail. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your labels color in Gmail. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let us begin. So the first step is open up your Gmail. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. And right here you can see I have three different labels here and all of them are colored. The miscellaneous is gray, Quora is red, and our Google is yellow. So if I want to change the colors for these labels, what I can actually do is simply hover over the label section, and on the label section you'll see the three dots. Now head over to the label whichever you want to change the color for. So let's say I want to change the color for Quora. Simply tap on the three dots and on the top you will see label. So tap on label color, and from here you should be able to change your label color. There is also an option to add your custom color. If you tap on add custom color, you should be able to choose your colors. So here you can choose a background color. So I'll just keep the background color red here, a bit darker shade of red, and the text color, let's go with black is completely fine. So tap on apply, and as you can see the color has now been changed. And that's basically how you change color in your labels in your Gmail. Thanks for watching guys, that's basically it. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.